Sometimes it can be useful to have one of the sides of the ratio being 1. We call these unit ratios, and they're really good for scales such as map scales and for currency conversion. In this question, we're asked to write 3 to 4 as a ratio in the form of 1 to n. We can see we need to divide the 3 on the left by 3 to get it to 1. When we divide the 4 by 3 on the right hand side, we get the fraction of 4 over 3. And we can change this to 1 1/3. Let's have a look at these questions. We're asked to write 5 to 7 as a ratio in the form of 1 to n. We know we need to divide both sides by 5 to get that 5 to become 1. 7 divided by 5 is just going to be a fraction of 7 over 5, which we can write as 1 2/5. In this question, we're told that a map has a scale of 1 to 4,000, and we're asked to find the distance in real life for a 5 centimetre line on the map. The left-hand side of the ratio corresponds to the map, the right-hand side is the real-life measurement, and the reason we know is in real life it would be a lot bigger. We have 5 centimetres on the map. To get from 1 to 5, we need to multiply by 5. So we need to do the same to the right hand side, and we're going to multiply the 4,000 also by 5, which will give us 20,000 centimetres. We can convert this into metres by dividing it by 100. So 5 centimetres on the map corresponds to 200 metres in real life. In this question we have the distance in real life, so our right hand side will be 50 metres. It will be much easier to use centimetres, so times this by 100 to convert it into centimetres. We need to work out how to get from 4,000 on our scale to 50,000 in our measurement. So we divide 50,000 by 4,000 to give us 12.5. So we need to multiply the 4,000 by 12.5 to get to the 50,000. Do the same on the left hand side. 1 times 12.5 is 12.5. So it will be 12.5 centimetres on our map. And let's finish with this. Abbas wants to draw a map of his town. He uses a scale of 1 to 5. Discuss the issues he may have with drawing his map. If you think you have an idea of the answer, let me know in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description to access all of our free GCSE papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.